your wonderful session. Moving ahead, I would like to invite Ms. Banali Basu. She will be focusing on the experts of last year's RPL Type 4 best-in-class employer statistics. Post her session, we will be focusing what our industry players did. Before their session, I will be introducing them according to their session. So over to you, Ms. Banali Basu.
Good evening, everybody. I would like to, I have a presentation to show. So Devesh, if you can give me the right. Okay.
Done.
Yeah. Okay. Can everybody see this? Is this visible?
Yes. Yeah.
So, good evening once again. I would like to take you through the RPL 4 that we had conducted in PMKVY 2.0. For the people who are less acquainted or who are not actually quite, they do not know about RPL 4, I'll just give a small, short introduction for them. So this is in order to enhance the industry acceptability of RPL certification and to extend the outreach of the scheme directly to the employers and industries. It was proposed to introduce this RPL with best-in-class employers, which is known as BICE. So whenever we are referring to RPL 4, we refer to RPL 4 as BICE, that is best-in-class employers. So MSDE and NSDC, through this project, they tried to ensure that there is a wider outreach to the large and uncertified workforce across the country. Now, SSCs like us, we are the main link for approaching the industry, orienting the assessor and the beneficiaries, and organizing the assessment and certification. And the certificates which get generated post the training and the assessment, they are co-branded with the logo of the employer. Now, I'll just tell you how this implementation strategy, that means if you are willing to do RPL 4, how are we going to go about it? It's a very small, there are about 6 steps for this implementation strategy. So like the first step would be sensitization and onboarding of the eligible employers, identification of the employer, assessor, and the employees, then project submission and the approval. Now this project submission is that the project will be submitted by the employer to the skill council, that is to furniture and fittings. Then furniture fittings in turn will submit this to NSDC, which is the National Skill Development Corporation. And National Skill Development Corporation in turn will be submitting the proposal to MSDE, which is the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Post the submission of the approval, so post we get the approval, then the Sector Skill Council, they orient the employer assessor, post which the assessment takes place. Now the assessment is just for 1 day, and it is an online assessment where a link is shared with the employers to assess their employees. And the last one would be, the last activity is the certification, which happens where the certificate is generated and it is a co-branded certification. Now, I'll just show you the numbers which we had done for RPL 4 in PMKVY 2.0. We've done a total of around 47,000 numbers, and we can see the employers' names who were associated with us for RPL 4. And I'm not going through it, but there are a few people who are present with us here in the in this call, wherein we have Mr. Deepak Sharma from Hetic India Private Limited, and we also have Mr. Anil Mathur from Narsi and Associates. I think we also have Mr. Sandeep from Merino, and we also have Ms. Jen from Pallavi Goenka Homes. So these people, they have actually, I don't know whether I've missed out anybody, But these are the people who were associated with us for RPL4, and they will be sharing their experience with us. I'll just show you a few, pictures. These are the excerpts from RPL4. So these are some of the first picture, the first photograph is the assessment which is happening. Second one is the certification ceremony which is taking place. And here, all the candidates who are certified, there's a photograph of theirs also. And the last one here again, the assessment is taking place. So this is how RPL4, we'll get into more details once this RPL 4 is there for PMKVY 3 is launched. We'll get more into details. This is just a synopsis of how RPL 4 is conducted. This is all from my end. If you want to ask me any questions, that also can be asked. Thank you so much, Devesh. Over to you.
Thank you, Barnali ma'am. So that was a brief about what Furniture Fitting Skill Council, along with its industry partners, did in PMKVY 2.0 under Best in Class Employer RPL Type 4 program. I would